Hi everyone, my name is Kiki. I am the owner of Kiki Lashes and a principal lash trainer at Lash Plus Academy. I am often asked, how do I apply multiple lashes without harming the natural lashes? Before we start making volume fans, here is a little tip for you to work smoothly. Your preparation and setup can make your lash application more efficient. I usually use a lash palette or stone, placing lash strip ranging from 5 to 12 mm across the palette. Double-sided sticky tape and glue dots should be close by so you can create and dip the fan into the glue straight away. The glue sets quickly, there is no time to waste. The glue dots and sticky tapes should be placed above the eyelash extension strip. This will avoid your hand making contact with the glue. The content within this training course has come from over 10 years of experience, including failure, trial and error, countless of hours of research and practice. Would you love to be a successful eyelash artist? Would you love to learn something that generates additional income? By the end of this course, you will have a complete understanding of volume lashing and can confidently begin your volume lash journey. My intent is to educate and train you, helping you to take your career to the next level by developing exceptional technical skill and broadening your industry knowledge. I arrived in Sydney 10 years ago from Japan. Knowing only a few words of English, my passion drove me to become a multiple award-winning lash artist. It helped me to build one of Sydney's most recognizable lash salon brand, Kiki Lashes, into 4 locations. Never compromise on the quality of your work and customer service. Your customers will follow you anywhere. By the end of this training course, you will have a deep understanding of volume lash extensions. You will gain the necessary knowledge to begin and carry out volume lash extensions. You will learn how to design perfect lashes for different eye shapes and confidently apply eyelash extensions in different styles. You and I are committing to your future. You will continue to practice and perfect your craft, and I will continue to mentor you as you continue to learn new skills. Here's the things you need for application: 2 tweezers, eyelash extensions, glue, eye pads, tape, sticky tape, brush, micro-stitch brush, mannequin. During this course, we will cover all aspects of volume lash extension. The training program has been designed for anyone that wants to learn the application of volume eyelash extension and introduce volume service into their toolkit. For those who are trying to improve, whether you're new to the industry or have already practiced lash extension but are not entirely confident with your current skill, this training will be perfect for you.